Oh, hey, welcome. Sorry for the audio quality. I'm on a different PC right now, or in case my laptop. Somehow I never uploaded a video about this assignment I made a little while back. So this is a bit of a personal project for me. It's been a little while since I touched this project, so I'm gonna remember it the best I can. Hmm. Um, you know, this is just a OpenGL SL project containing various functions and forms regarding what was it? What was it? Oh yes, 3D models, HUD or UI elements, various sounds, various camera angles, various textures, and a lot of things that are rendered and processed on the screen. And it also has Xbox controller support, as you can see with this line, for example, in this file right up here to the left. I still don't know how I didn't make a video about this. I thought I did, but here we are. So, as you can see, it's just pretty much just grabbing the assets right as the and loading in the assets as well. I'm just grabbing the functions as it loads up. We got the light, we got the camera going on over there. This right here is just the controls. So we're moving the camera with not only the controller, but there's also options for, ASD or WASD or the arrow keys, for example. So it goes like up and down, up and down. You know how it is. And oh yeah, we could also we could change the renderers on the 3D models. I almost forgot about this. Not gonna lie. This is just more rendering stuff at the bottom here. Just the update. Just updates the GUI right there. Oh, I didn't really do much stuff in this section. I probably cut it out, but. And then we got some more rendering stuff down here, but this is just for like the camera, lights, and 3D models. I'm just gonna show you like 4 files. This is basically the header for the scene because all the magic goes in here. It's just like this is just the basically the mom file or the dad file. And then we got the main CPP, just loading up the build and using the OpenGSL over here, and vectors and all of that. Just in a few console messages, see like memory leaks and some file names. It's on 64 build, for example. This is the scene manager. So it pretty much just turns on the scene. We also get some special bits in this section. This is where, we got the GUI. This is where all the things get like rendered as well, where they get set up, like where they go, and what they do, their entire purpose, like pretty much telling them, you stay here and you go here, you do this, you do that, etc., etc. Kind of like I'm controlling their entire lives and providing them a purpose. This is just a soundboard. I just used a bunch of sound effects that I had rotting on my PC. It has a lot of old meme sound effects from 2 to 3 years ago. Whoopsies. And we got a counter right there. Then this little window counts the FPS. And yeah, this is just making sure it doesn't have any errors and it runs smoothly. And this little guy right here is pretty much just it's pretty much just the demo window that comes with the GUI UI for OpenGL or SDL, And might just cut this recording for now because the Windows recorder is kind of dumb. And I don't have the cool Shadow Play recorder on this laptop, so I gotta cut it here for now. I'll be back in a few minutes. Oh hey, we're back. And here's what we got. So I'm currently moving the camera with my controller as we speak. You can hear it. Okay. Sorry, it's a little finicky, but it works. Yes. Give a second here. Give it a sec. Okay, here we go. I don't know why the camera is a little tilted, but I'll deal with that for now. Anyways, as you can see, I can move it with my controller. I can use the ASD keys just to move up and down. Could go to the right here. Oh yeah, before I use the sound effects, I forgot to mention the last recording that I could use, I used Erclane to get the sounds running on my custom game engine, which, similar to GUI, is an open source code that can be used for various graphics engines like SDL, OpenGL, Vulkan, DirectX, you name it. For GUI, you get these cool HUD elements or menus that you can modify and do whatever the hell you want to your heart's content. And I use Erclane. Erclane is also an open source, code database that allows sound effects to play in your custom game engines. I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, I'm definitely sure that GUI and Erclane are both used And official big companies like Ubisoft, Unreal Engine. I know Unreal Engine's not a company, but it's still, a high-end and highly well-used, game making engine. You could also make movies, but you get what I'm trying to say. And Unity, if I remember correctly. So let's just oh yeah, also you get like a little cool scroll bar here. There's a few like check boxes that change the menu. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention the other thing, the CNM. If you notice with Mario, it removes the dots around it. And with the M button, it could also remove the textures, pretty much, if I remember correctly. Oh no, it basically removes the model. And the C removes the hitbox, or the collision, essentially. And M removes the model. I remember now. So, anyways, we got...
Welcome to Tristan James Meme, Soundboard.
I think you guys can hear that, right? Because I'm hearing it.
Legalize nuclear bombs. Nope. Call the fire department. We just nuked the building.
Welcome, punch!
Oh yeah, also I put like a cool little counter here every time you click a button on the soundboard I made. So, yeah, it's pretty much all I have to show, but let's just play the song as a cool outro.
Twisted to the max, I'm in the middle of a town mill second. I'ma change with the tone of action. I don't wanna put a little reaction. Don't be hanging around my friend. I said I'm all twisted up in wires, and in the middle you know what's best. You never get out, you never get out.
Alright, that's pretty much all I wanted to show for today. So see ya.